It's day 25 of our daily Pokemon pack opening. Another Phantasmal Flames. Chasing the Charizard here. I opened up the UPC earlier. Got the 2 promos. You'll see them there in the background. Gonna post another video and rip the Phantasmal Flames packs that came in that. We got 3 of those. Got that metal coin there, which is really cool. This new playmat. Spicing things up here with the video. Hopefully we hit a full art on this bad boy. Let's get it started right. Ooh, Mega Sharpedo EX. My boy will love this card.